Hi, I'm Sandra. Welcome to the third episode of Copy the Look, 1 item, 3 styles. For today's video, the protagonist is the denim shirt. A versatile, practical piece you must have in your wardrobe. Can be styled for 3 different occasions. So let's take the most out of this piece of clothing, and as always, you will have 3 possible combinations. You will see all the outfits, but also learn lots of styling tips, styling details that make all the difference. I will also share how I tuck in my denim shirt so that you don't have this bulk area around the waistline. I think this is a very important styling tip I'm sure you will also want to know. Let's begin with outfit number 1. Grey tailored wide leg trousers to add a formal point to this outfit, as we need to dress up the casual denim shirt. Mine has this side trim in dark navy that adds a modern point to the outfit. You can add a belt, and for shoes I opted for pointed toe black slingbacks. To finish the look, you can choose a little black leather jacket, a staple in your wardrobe. Another styling tip that I just wanted to mention and to reinforce is always try to show a little bit of the piece you are wearing underneath the jacket. You can of course pull off your sleeves like that, but if you don't like, just a little bit, just a little amount of shirt showing, I think this is really flattering. A black everyday tote bag and you're ready for a day in the office. If you want to elongate your legs, pointed toe shoes are the perfect match to wear with wide leg trousers. Avoid wearing loafers that have usually an almond toe shape. It doesn't work. I don't think it's flattering. It's too bottom heavy, too masculine. The trousers are already very masculine, as well as the jacket, the shirt, so this outfit is not compensated in any way. So in my opinion and for my personal style, avoid wearing loafers with this kind of more masculine wide leg tailored trousers. If you want to wear loafers, opt instead for tailored trousers with a tapered leg, like these ones that are in dark navy with a thin stripe in grey. This is another styling tip, so when wearing loafers, opt for cropped tapered trousers that show your ankles. This is the thinnest part of our legs and it will look much more flattering and not so bottom heavy. Outfit number 2. A casual outfit with denim on denim. Choose 2 pieces with similar denim washes to be as close as possible. Add a navy knitted sweater over your shoulders and a pair of sneakers. In this case, I opted for my Adidas Samba with burgundy stripes and a bag in a matching color. This bag is really versatile as you can wear it as a clutch for more formal outfits, but it has also a strap to wear it crossbody. Don't forget to wear a belt, and to add another pop of color into the outfit, I went for this scarf tied on my neck. Accessories in gold are also the cherry on the cake and will make it a wow outfit. And there you have it, a smart casual look you can wear on the weekends. And let's see with outfit number 3 how you can elevate your denim shirt for an evening outfit. Black tailored trousers, pointed toe black shoes, tie your hair in a bun to show the earrings. Open your shirt a little bit more to be more elegant and more sexy for an evening event. You can also swap your regular bra for a lace bra or even wearing a black lace bodysuit underneath the shirt. My hair tied in a bun, like I said. A kind of statement earrings. This is a very dainty necklace, and I will add my red lip from Dior. Just a minute. Let me just do it in the mirror. Done. And let's talk about the styling tip that I mentioned. To avoid extra bulk around the waistline and to create a sharp V silhouette, I've folded the bottom of my denim shirt like that and tied at the back with the help of an elastic. Then you just have to tuck this part either in your trousers or fold it upwards. There you have it, no extra fabric around my waistline. Slightly tuck a little bit of this front part, just like you have tucked your shirt all over the trousers. Add a black long wool coat over your shoulders and you have the ideal look for any evening event. A clutch and a pair of bold statement earrings is all you need to make this outfit. In this outfit we are blending silver with gold. These earrings have gold and silver details. I'm wearing gold and silver in my other accessories. What do you think of this outfit? We can definitely style a very casual piece like a denim shirt for an evening out. So let's talk about the pieces. Shoes are old leather from Zara. These trousers are also very old from Zara, as well as the belt. Shirt, as I said, is Petite Studio. This is a Manteco wool coat from Zara and this is my leather clutch from Massimo Dutti. The lipstick is from Dior and everything will be linked down below. And today we have an extra outfit. Who says you cannot be stylish to go to the gym? Layer your denim shirt opened over a t-shirt or any top. It can be white, black. Add black leggings, black Adidas trainers and a beautiful scarf around your neck will make all the difference. It will add a smart element to this very casual outfit. A silk scarf from Cézanne. I just need to grab my bag and I'm ready to go to the gym. Remember to leave me in the comments which piece you want me to style in this 1-for-3 method. I read you in the comments. If you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any episode. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow here. Bye bye!